Hello friends, in this video we will see how you can find and change Instagram password. The method is very simple and easy. Without any delay, let's go to the mobile phone screen. First of all, I will uninstall the Instagram app from my mobile phone screen so that I can explain all the steps in detail. So after uninstalling the Instagram app from the mobile phone, I will reinstall it from the Play Store. So let's go to the Play Store and reinstall it. I do not remember the password of my Instagram account, but still we will log in through our Instagram account. As you can see that the app has installed. Now open the app and try to log in through our Instagram account. As you know, I do not remember the password, so I click on the forgotten password. To reset your Instagram password, it's essential to have access to either the mobile number or email address linked to your Instagram account. You can also use your username, but sometimes it's not work. So it's essential to have access to either the mobile number or email address linked to your Instagram account. As you can see that I first enter my username to find my Instagram account, but as you can see it did not work. So now I enter my email address linked to my Instagram account. The email address that I enter is correct, so Instagram has sent a code to my Gmail account. So let's go to the Gmail and find the code. As you can see that the code is 211937. So let's enter this code in our Instagram app. This email of mine is linked to two Instagram accounts. So from here I want to reset the Instagram password of my first account, which is DigiLearner67. So I select it and click on continue. Here I just entered the new password for my Instagram account and then I click on continue. Here Instagram app is asking whether you want to save your Instagram password or not. If you click on save, then you will not need to enter your Instagram password again. But if you don't want to save your Instagram password, then you click on not now. But it is better if you click on save. As you can see that I just entered into my Instagram account without knowing the password and I just reset my Instagram password. Now I will show you how you can find your Instagram password. For this, first click on your profile picture located at the bottom right corner. Now click on the three lines located at the top right corner. Now click on settings and privacy. Here click on account center. And now click on password and security. And in password and security click on saved login. Now just select your Instagram account and from here at least make sure your saved logins are enabled. Now to see your Instagram password, let's go to mobile phone settings. From mobile phone settings, find Google and click on it. Here you can see autofill option. Click on it to see all your passwords saved into your Gmail account. From here, click on autofill with Google. And lastly, click on passwords. Here you will find all the websites and apps that have passwords saved to your email. From here just find the Instagram app and click on it. Now just enter your mobile phone password and from here you can see your Instagram password. To see your Instagram password just click on I icon. I hope you like my video and if you like it please like and subscribe my channel. Thank you.